All right, in today's product feature updating Go High Level, we're going to be looking at how to use split actions in Go High Level workflows. All right, so let's get right to it and let me share my screen. All right, so right beside me is a workflow that I created as a demo. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on the plus icon and you're going to look for the split action right there, as you can see. And what this does is it creates a kind of like split testing, but in workflows. So what we're going to do is choose random split, and then you're going to choose different paths that when somebody goes through these workflows, there's the system will randomly pick 50% that's going to go to path A and 50% that's going to go to path B. Now you can, of course, change this accordingly. So let's just say you do 65 here, and then you can do 35 that'll go here. But uh, for the sake of this demo, we're going to keep it at 50-50. You also have the option to add additional path up to 5. So let's go and add up to 5, as you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have the option, so you can do 20, 20, 20, as long as it all adds up to 100%. Yeah, you can do it up to that. So, but today's demo, we're going to do just two paths, and we're going to do 50, oops, path A and path B. And let's do 50%. And then let's go and save. And so what that does is creates to these two paths, path A and path B. Now, what would you like to put in these paths? Now, it really depends on what you're trying to accomplish. A scenario would be, let's just say you're sending out an email and you want to test out which emails work, A or B. So in this case, you could create two emails with different subject lines so that you know which one is being open and which one is not being open, so that you can split test them and seeing which one you want to utilize in the future. So let me create those emails now, and let me pause and I'll get back to it after I finish. All right, so we've created these two emails. Just made a basic email just to show you. And this email A just has the subject line. This is for demo purposes. Fuel your online marketing. So let's say you're testing out different subject lines that you want to see which one gets better open rate or click-through rate. You want to utilize something like this. And then let's go to email B, and it says unleash your online marketing. So in this case, we're testing out whether fuel or unleash are two email subject lines that is going to make a difference in the potential open rate, and seeing how it works out in this workflow. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this workflow, and I'm going to save it, and then I'm going to run some demo uh, contacts through these workflows, and I'm going to show you the results and how you can look at the statistics and seeing which one, how the statistics will look like, analytics behind it. All right. All right, so as you can see, I ran 5 contacts through this workflow, and we're going to go take a look at it now. If you go into the split action right there, and you can look at the statistics right there, and as you can see, 4 went through A, and one of them went through path B. Now, this is when we put 50-50, it's like literally a coin toss. So the computer does is what it does is it just flips the coin, and then it determines whether to go to path A and path B. Now, is it going to, as you can see here, it's not totally 150-50, but this is a short number, I mean, not a short, but a limited number of contacts that are going through. So we're looking at probably in the long term, when you have more contacts, it's going to be probably more spread out 50-50. All right. So let's go look at the stat view and see how that works out here. And as you can see, there's in terms of delivered, deliverability. 100% got delivered, and as you can see, none of them has opened or clicked or replied. Right now, at this point, I have not opened up the email. So let's go and take a look at what happens when I open. It's actually emails, contacts that are under my email. And so I'm going to go and open one of those emails and let's take a look at the stats. All right, so we are back. I actually went in and opened one of the emails, and let's go take a look at this. I'm going to refresh. And then I'm going to click on stats view. And as you can see, there's one right here that is 100% open. So that's the email that I actually opened. You can also track clicks where if you put links in the email, as well as replied, as well as bounced emails as well. All right, so that's it for today's feature update tutorial, and I hope this video was helpful. This is a very powerful feature that you can utilize to split test various workflows, and I hope that you can utilize it to improve your business. All right, until next time, bye now.